Hey, what is that boy doing? I don't understand it. Are they fighting for this lady or what? Oh, he's telling she's mine.
Senor Kishkor Kongbih ale no bana Sungya basap kini ajong kini kikana kinjasla Adiga jing ya kop hadu basala so shoptien Kuno memyale rantang bay biri nang panlayeng. Girl, you got the love, got the time for me. I got the room, you got the key, let's do this love for me. Play some big shit, your body like you do it daily. Don't be shy, just you and me, put it down slowly. Yo, I got it alright. If you want some more, let's do it all twice. Wadam ting wadam leran kumba pi jenga chim ki jenga bat pingin ne kum ne baro shelta. Hey Kongbih, tong no tang
This guy just kill it. He kill it. This boy.
it.
Hello everyone, peace from Africa. Welcome back all. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we are back to the Khasi people, Shillong people. So we are checking out Kongbih, guys. So previous I reacted to this guy, and I came to find out that it's like his music video is so nice, guys. And what make it nice, like he's so funny guy, and he always create a music video which kind of a comedy, like funny music video, but always having meaning. Like it's so entertaining, like watching him is so nice. You feel like you will laugh and you will enjoy the music. This is what I'm trying to say, guys. So today we are back to him again. Hello Kongbih, peace from Africa, guys. We are checking his latest music video. Don't forget, all is fun, Meghalaya Khasi fan. If you would love to watch a lot of reaction video from Africa here, subscribe now, join the African family. Let's do it. What does it mean? Kongbih. Kong is a lady. B is what? Kongbih. Hey girl or what? Let me check it out, guys. So don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned. Let's do it. A soy Ujong Kongbih Pascal Dream. Wait, I think it's Kongbih. Let me first see him. Yes, this is the guy. Kongbih, I think it's the Kong. Funny guy. Oh, yeah, another guy.
Kau kadur pula bapi dan shisha kapan ya biat kirang. Woga jing habriu la kumpuri blay shisha ban batai ngam nang. Wo malaka miet ngayo snow kasur ngamadei tang hajing rumah. Rede mapi bawan ban pasiao haki tendang skor jonga. Oh hey Kongbih, tang sisin la dapi man ong menta. Atau pila mo ban long i jonga. Nakular ngan dia pi serta. Oh hey Kongbih, tang sisin la dapi man ong menta. Atau pila mo ban long i jonga. Nakular ngan dia pi serta.
Be shut up, na jonga. Now Kongbih, you are mine, everything is mine.
Ngalila thamsam ngadon chimut ye phi ban li henrei pat ngam yo la no nga ok mi lenti wan nge ja urang baswan tumbi shalan dat ye phi utmu penjot nang kham la manga ban tai urang ubak sup de khasilang brot la da phi mon ya nga si shopping am kusnai kat ka ba phi kwa kerhai kat ka ba phi ong kali pisa kak sian ki bun ye phi ken bangan ai hey Kongbih tong no tang si Kyntien Ksiar.
Wait guys, you know why? I just want to say, you know, Meghalayan people, you are the most luckiest people in this world. You know what? Like most of the people out in this world, like the musician in other countries, like they don't have this beautiful, this such amazing natural beautiful place to make music video, guys. You know, most of the musician, even the big musician, the popular one, you see them, like most of them they're doing indoor music video, guys. Some they even use fake background because they don't have such a beautiful place. And I'm just saying, guys, if you're a musician, content creator, you should be lucky if you are Khasi or Meghalayan from Northeast, especially take advantage. show the nation, show the beautiful place you guys have it. And this is what I love the most, like to make me react to you guys because every day I will see new heaven, new different place. Oh my god, so nice. Thanks.
Yeki wewa ito ji tang yana ngagulangan ria phi shirta.
Hey, what is that boy doing? I don't understand it. Are they fighting for this lady or what? Oh, he's telling she's mine.
Senor Kishkor Kongbih ale no bana sung ya besap kini ajong kini ki kena kenjas la adiga jing ya kop hadu besal da so chep tiang kuno mem ya le rantang bai biri nang pan la yeng girl you got the love got the time for me I got the room you got the key let's do this love for me play some bitch shake your body like you do it daily don't be shy just you and me put it down slowly yo I got it alright if you want some more let's do it all twice Wadam ting wadam leran kumba pi jenga chim jenga bat ping ne kum ne baro shelta hey Kongbih tong no tang
This guy just kill it, he kill it. This boy
ye ki we wan itu ji tang yana ngakulan ngan ria pi shelta
What is his name, man?
oh hey Kongbih
Kongbih, Kongbih, Kongbih. Wow. You know the last guy who came and took the gun. He just killed it, man. I love his flow. I love his part. Like because he was singing in English and I got everything. Bro, you are so smart, man. Hey, be careful what you're saying. It's so nice. I love this music video. And it's kind of two people like this music is trying to like saying two people like falling or crashing on one girl and expressing their feeling. But you know who won? It's not the first guy, it's the last guy because the last guy has the room. If you have the room, then what do you want also? Only Kongbih. If you have the room, you only need the Kongbih. Let's do it twice, thrice, four, six times, whatever. Shit, man. That is it. Thank you so much, guys. And love from Africa. Make sure subscribe. Peace out. All the best, Kongbih. All the best, Meghalayan people. By the way, yeah, I think 4th June election, the result will be out. So anyway, all the best for you guys. Yes, that is it. Upra.